Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, so this is a recording session, and this recording session for the Occupational English test is held at Tiju Academy, dated 4th January 2024. Okay, so my name is Varsha and I'm the interlocutor for the OET speaking session. So can you just tell me, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you.
Okay, so can you tell me your full name?
Yes, my name is Aishwarya Lai.
Yes, what is your candidate number?
My candidate number is 223547.
Okay, thank you for that. And I guess you're taking this test as a nurse, is it correct?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you. Can I see your ID card, please?
Yeah, sure. Here it is.
Yes, thank you. So now let's move on to the warm-up section. As you know that the warm-up section is not assessed and is a chance for us to get to know each other's voices. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, Aishwarya. So can you just tell me, why did you choose to be a nurse?
Yes, first of all, thank you for your question. Yes, I have chosen nursing as my profession because it is one among those professions where we get an opportunity to understand the problems of people and providing solutions for them.
Yes, thank you for the response, Aishwarya. So now we are moving on to the role play card presentation, and as you are aware, we'll be doing 2 role play cards, one after the other. So this is your first role play card.
Thank you so much.
If you want to write anything, you can write it over here.
Sure.
You'll be given 3 minutes time for the preparation, and your time starts now.
Thank you. How can I address you during the time of role play?
Yes, so you can address me as John.
Thank you so much.
Yes, so your time is up.
Thank you.
Now you can converse for 5 minutes, and here you can start.
Thank you. All right. So good afternoon, John.
Good afternoon.
I hope you remember me. This is Nurse Aishwarya. As usual, I'm here to check on your daily progress. So how are you doing in general?
Yes, nurse, I'm fine.
So before that, I would love to ask you, John, is it the right time to have a conversation?
Yes, sure, nurse. Please come inside.
Thank you so much. Now, I would love to move on to the important question for today. That is, how are you coping with administering daily injections of blood thinner?
Okay, nurse. So initially, my wife used to administer the blood thinning injections, but now I'm doing it all by myself.
That's really great, John. Now, I want to ask you, do you have any prior information regarding the exercise program?
Yes, nurse. So I have all the information about the exercises by the physio.
So that's really great. So are you following that?
Yes, nurse.
Okay. Now, in addition to that, I would love to tell you it is very important for you to keep your legs uncrossed every time. Will that be okay for you, John?
Yes, sure, nurse.
All right. So do you have any questions regarding this?
Yes, I would like to ask you a question to you. That is, can you just tell me how much walking is, advisable for me?
Well, John, that's a very important question from your side. Yes, it is very important for you to move your legs regularly and go for short walks at least 2 to 3 times daily. Is that okay for you?
Yes, nurse.
Okay, that's really great. And gradually, if you want to, you can increase the timing of your walking as well, if the time permits for you. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so in addition to that, I would love to tell you it is important for you to use a stick as necessary while walking. Well, we understand the fact that it won't be comfortable for you, but considering the factor of your speedy recovery, we request you to use the walking stick while you walk. Will that be okay, Mr. John?
Yes, nurse, I'll listen to your instructions.
Now, do you have any other questions for me?
Oh yes, I need to ask you one more question, nurse.
Yes.
That is regarding the pain medication. Can you just tell me how long do I need to take the medication, and also wearing the compression stockings?
Alright, that's a very reasonable question once again, Mr. John. Yes, exactly. We advise you to continue with the pain medication until the pain subsides, and you can reduce the dosage as we recommend. Will that be okay?
Yes, nurse.
Alright, so what about the compression stocking? Are you wearing that, Mr. John?
Yes, nurse. So I'm wearing it day and night.
Alright. So is it comfortable for you?
Yes, it's perfectly fit.
That's really great, John, but still we recommend you to continue with the compression stocking at least for a month. Will that be okay for you?
Yes, nurse.
Alright, John, then now do you have any questions for me?
No, nurse. So I'm generally feeling well, and I don't have any questions at the moment.
That's really great to hear. Then I hope I have addressed all your questions.
Yes, you did.
Alright, then for the time being, I'll be leaving and we'll be meeting by next weekend. So till then, I wish you a good recovery.
Thank you.